Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make an all natural toilet bombs that will help you keep your toilets fresh all day. I love these bombs. First of all, they are so simple to make and they will give your toilet that freshy smell all day. So here is what you're gonna need to get started. Baking soda. It has a lot of cleaning properties. It also eliminates and prevents bad odor. Citric acid. It kills bacteria, mold. It's also great for general disinfecting and cleaning. It's also effective at removing hard water stains. Essential oils are backed with antiseptic, antifungal, and antibacterial properties. I'm gonna be using a lavender and lemon essential oils. Silicone mold to give a pretty shape for that toilet bombs. Then some food coloring, but this step is optional. A spray bottle, a whisk, and a bowl. Take a bowl and add about 2 cups of baking soda. Go ahead and add 1 cup of citric acid. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add in my food coloring, and then I give it a stir until everything is mixed together. Fill the spray bottle with water. And add about 10 to 20 drops of lemon and lavender essential oils. And then give it a little shake. Slowly mix the dry powder with some spritz of water that we just made. You will see a little freezing when adding the water, but that's normal. Be careful to not overdo the spritzing of mixture with water, or it may start freezing and crumble. The mixture should resemble the consistency of damp sand, which holds together when squeezed. So go ahead and put the mixture into the silicone molds. And place it down. Allow the bombs to dry for several hours. Now it's time. Go ahead and remove them gently from the mold. And they are ready to use. So store the bombs in an airtight container and use one at a time. They look so pretty. To use the bombs, drop one bomb into the toilet bowl and let them dissolve for about 10 minutes. I hope you enjoyed this DIY, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you in the next video.